Hello everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Today I got three little box, three color, which is pink, white and black. Okay, guess what? TWS truly wireless earbud, three color, nice. Why I bought this? TokiDoki, yes. Okay, let's see the spec first. Okay, this brand is, don't know what brand is it, but I bought it from Taobao. It's kind of okay. I think it's like $30 over Sing dollar each of them. I don't expect a great sound, but it's really cute. Model TD04, Bluetooth 5.0, 10 meters range. Made by PC, ABS, and resin. Type-C connection. Let's see the box. Let's see the black one first. Oh, that's me inside the reflection. Black color with TokiDoki. And the unicorn down here. That's the truly wireless stereo. And something like that. Yeah, this is the spec. Okay, 5.0 Bluetooth chipset. Touch control, long standby hours, and easy to carry, and physical noise cancellation. Physical, and this is 3D sound. And behind we can see, on top we can see this TokiDoki, bottom also TokiDoki. The back is this unicorn. TokiDoki, and it's truly wireless earbud, black color, TD04. Okay, all the spec I have mentioned just now. Type-C, quite standard, 92 dB plus minus 3 dBs, 16 ohm plus minus 15%, 20 to 20,000 hertz. Yep, and contact us. This is from Guangzhou. And let's see what's other thing. Should be same thing, and all the models number also the same. Which one should be popped up first? Okay, let's pop this cutest one, the pink color. Okay, very easy to turn on. Alright, that's it. It's a very cute thing, and we can just pull this little ribbon here and we'll just slide it out. Alright, nothing in there, and the charging cable is here. And this box is a bit cheap because you see there's this marking here, the stain. It's kind of light for the entire thing. And what sells inside here is the usual manual. Yep, nobody care about that. And what is inside this long rectangular things, I believe is those like hook or what. Okay, it's an earbud, different size of ear little tips. Got a big size, this one, and the smaller size. Throw it aside, and the charging cable, Type-C. That's all. No punch, no nothing. Okay, and let's get the earbud itself. Okay, let's turn it down a bit. Alright, that's it. Alright, there we go. Okay, at the side, slide it out. Nothing else. Pull it out. Type-C port at the back. Bottom. Okay, there's some wording here. Oh, focus. TD04, 320 milliamp hour. Okay, designed by Simon Leno. This is the creator of TokiDoki from Italy. Yep. And there's two little earbud here, and yeah, cute little earbud. Pink color, shiny pink color, with the TokiDoki logos, with indicative left and right. Yep, very cute. Put aside, open the box. Oh, kind of great. Can hear the sound is really good. Alright. And this TokiDoki icon is really cute here. Really cute. Anyway, let's put it in, see what it happened. Should be this side. Oh yeah, should be the other side. Oh, once you pop it in, it started to charge. Right. Let's see. It's a music flavorish. Such a cute thing. Let's see the spec first, okay? They claim that when you charge, single charge, you can listen to 200 songs because it can last for 5 hours. I don't know, maybe I should try it. The driver is 8mm drivers. Maybe I should try it. Oh, we can call up SIRI too by long press 3 seconds and tap 3 times. It will like fast forward, and single touch will be pause or play, single touch to receive call when somebody is calling, or it can be single use also, which is when you just take one out, you can just use it. Oh, it has IPX5, which is water splash resistant. X5 means X is not rated, means that it's not dust proof or what. Okay. For the cabin, this charging case, you can charge 1 hour, then it can last for 8 hours. Basically, that's it. Let's pop the other 2 colors off and see what is really makes us different here. Okay, this white color. Okay, you should just focus on this box here. Let's pop the white color, and I should present to you the white color. And same thing, put it. Oh, white color seems better, nicer. Alright. Oh, that actually got word written here, accessory box, which doesn't for the pink color one, which that's the difference. Just stick with the white one. Yeah, because white rules, right? Well, for the white case, not right case, is white case, the earbud is actually silver color with the pink color icon here. Anyway, same tactile feel, it's magnetic, and the earbud itself. Alright. Oh, just snuck it. That's the problem. It might drop off the ear tips. Aha. And pull it back. Will it be easy to pull? Okay. Alright, once it in is, oh, it's actually not that good yet. Aha, that's it. Once it's in, is basically you need to find a correct turning it, because there's a niche there. Yeah, once it's in, it's sturdy enough. Okay, let's pop it in. So red color is charging, and we should pull the other one out too. Oh, same issue. This is the box problem, I think. It shouldn't snuck it too down there. Anyway, once you get out here, you can basically install it yourself. This is time consuming. Alright, it's in, and we put it in, and it starts charging for both. Red color means charging. That's the pink color, that's the white color, and that's next will be the black color. Okay, I'm not changing anything if it's not on the screen, but I'm struggling to slide this off. Okay. Right, that's the plastic. Same procedure, pull it out. Alright, The black color one, you got a golden unicorn here. It's very appealing. I don't think I need to pull out that plastic box. And this should be it. Yep, very nice, easy to take out compared to the white one. Maybe the white one, I don't know why. And the black one also got this accessory box naming there. Same tactile. And slot it in. Slot it in. Yep, it's charging. Let's see, will it shake down? No, easy shaking, won't fall off. Okay, 3 of them is pretty nice. And all are charging using Type-C connector. Alright, all are unicorn. Very, very nice. It's cute. Christmas is coming. Yeah, you should get one for your girlfriend or because of the cuteness. I think, should I try one to listen to the music? I think I should, right? Stand by just a sec. Okay, now I'm packed and listening to this song. Oh, it connected to the other Bluetooth, so I should have set the priority. Okay, I shouldn't connect to my detail, and I should find a DT4. Yes, and connect it back. Okay, it's connected. The sound is very muffled. Oh, it's good. Once it's play, the music is really crispy clear. Not bad. Yeah, I like blues. Blue song is nice. No hay bien in Angkor. Okay. I can recommend this with 30 Sing dollar. Really worth the price. And the case is so nice. Really well built. And it's shiny. And by TokiDoki. Real nice. Oh, it's fingerprint magnet, man. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Thank you. Bye.